Hello again. People love magic tricks, especially tricks that involve money and disappearing stuff. So I have decided to show you a magic trick that involves disappearing money. Here are two coins, a quarter and a penny. Those are real coins. If you don't believe me that it's real coins, then I can use your coins as well. And don't you worry, your money will not permanently disappear. I'm not that bad guy. Watch me carefully. Abracadabra, baram-boom, and the quarter disappeared. You may think that I hide the quarter somewhere in my right hand, or on back side of my left hand. Let me assure you there is none. Watch me carefully. Abracadabra, baram-boom, and the quarter reappeared. How do I do it? The answer is simple, by magic. And of course, you may find out how we do magic at www.ifyoudoit.com. Have fun!